our first impressions. Never tried it before. You know the deal.
We give you all the tea.
I can't open this. We saw Jeffrey do this. And, you know.
So, Jeffrey, if you ever see this, you know.
Right, hit a girl up.
They're like little sample packets. We got it support. Well, I mean, I kind of sold 3 of them, but they don't need them.
Hi. I love the texture.
I like that it's cold on my face.
Right. This is so exciting.
Right.
Ooh, hi. Or is that your phone? That's your phone. This is so exciting. I'm so happy we got 2 packs.
I know.
Hi. Oh, that was so... Oh my god.
Get it in your hand.
Got it in the brows. Hey, my little foot. Ooh, hi. I feel like oh my god. I feel like I can't even. Oh my god, are you opening your second one already? This is so exciting.
Right. I feel like I need
Hi, I feel like I'm not even in the camera. I'm gonna be so oh my god. I can't open mine. Okay.
Oh, yes. Camera smell. My fingers.
How I'm doing?
Yeah. It's gonna get everywhere.
It's still gonna get everywhere. I feel like so unprofessional.
Right. In Jeffrey's video, he used like the spatula. But he puts on face masks all the time, so we kind of have to put him on doing it.
Right, this is our first one. Girl, your phone's going up. Big love on Tuesday. Oh, hi.
I was getting a lot of concentration.
For real.
Make sure it's like not thin anywhere. Like over here, it's like a little blotchy.
Good.
Like you are very generous.
Hey, Pro.
I mean, I've seen duds before where there was too, because it was too thin.
Duds?
Yeah, like videos of people put too. Because it was too thin, like if they had one packet, like for a base.
Ow.
You feel me?
I get you.
Okay, they're doing good. I love the look. 10 out of 10. Would wear to school.
Just a little bit more. Alright, where you at?
I need to wash my face with my hands.
Into the Ooh. Right into
Where's your trash?
under my desk. Never mind.
It's burning like here. And then I have a clean hand. I'm gonna go open the door. Go.
I was just gonna rub it all.
Oh, okay.
I love the texture. Right.
Oh. Hi, we just found us an aqua monkey.
Not spons. So basically, Monkey is like a video.
It's like a video chat, and if you like each other, then you get each other's super chats.
Okay. Oh, they all skipping me.
Oh. Hi. It's a mask.
That was so hot.
Ooh.
Hi.
What's up?
I don't usually look like this, by the way.
Snapchat. I don't like
Okay,
Oh my God,
okay,
he
he
was
was
so
cute.
cute.
Ooh, hi, Jared.
We would get the guys. How cool would it be to have your username like just Brandy?
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Zarya is just Zarya.
Who's?
Oh, Adam.
Ew. It looks like he's working out.
It does look like he's working out.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, my face is getting.
Oh my god, don't worry, you two are.
Be like, she just added me. No, wait, did I add him?
That's not the same guy.
No.
That was a different guy.
I want to add him.
Hold on, bitch. Hey, girl.
Yo, look, I got no net. Girl, alright.
Oh, she skipped.
No
Little
girls on
bitch.
Dr. Girls. Hi. I promise I don't look like this all the time. Find me on Snap.
Alright, I did.
Sure.
Yo.
Every time. Oh my god. Like, I had to tell you.
You gonna have him or what?
I had to tell you I don't look like this all the time. That one got a silver face all the time. Boys really be dumb.
For real.
That's why they think makeup's a trick. Like red lipstick and silver eyelashes. We're not broken. Hi. I look like this all the time. I'm silver actually. Fuck.
You're white.
Wow, my skin's white, my face is silver. Like, how confusing.
This is so fun. Another problem. Hey, boo. Oh.
Girl really didn't see.
Ooh.
That tomato's nice.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing. I have a face mask on.
I hope you know Halloween is in October.
Listen, Halloween's Halloween's my favorite holiday. Halloween's in October. Beach, I know.
You trying to say we a little scary?
I'm scared of beach.
I can't laugh.
I've been talking this whole time, so I can.
It's starting to harden.
Oh, what's that? Your face come.
Yeah,
Word.
it's a lot of cum, obviously, because it covers my whole face. You know.
Show your face.
Right, show your face. I'm showing my face with a bunch of cum on it.
Drop this one throw in your face.
Go ahead.
Sure.
Word.
Word.
What about this right here?
Yep.
Damn. Okay.
Add me on Snapchat.
Let me see some titties.
Some what? You do something to the dick before you see his titties.
Oh. Hello, Mr. Pecker. Peter Pecker. Pipe to Pecker. In the pipe. Mm. God damn.
You know there's a thing called Omegle for this?
What?
Omegle.
He said what? He got a whole big
He
money.
really said, let me see them titties. Suck my dick.
For real. Hi, girl. What's good?
Hi.
Oh, hey, girl.
What's good?
Hey.
Are y'all having a party?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, y'all better.
Mm-hmm.
I like the balloon in the background.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Okay. We just made a new friend.
Right.
Oh, her name Kylie. Hey, Kylie.
Okay, Kylie. Like, oh, did you just come up with the Kyliers?
Right.
Oh, he's
He
cute.
is.
Tell him to add me. Wait, I'm gonna Snapchat.
Okay, bitch.
Oh, let me tell you guys, he's hot.
He is fine.
Kinda.
Next one. How do I know when this is dry?
Not dry.
Ooh, mine's starting to get dry.
You trying to see these titties? You can suck my dick before you see these titties.
Say hi.
Ooh.
Ow, my neck hurt. I was sucking too much.
He looks so
Hi.
scared.
Hello. Oh, I put that on sometimes.
What?
What?
Have more time.
Oh,
Okay.
Put on.
They're called face masks.
Mm-hmm. I don't look like this all the time.
Where you go? There you are. What? What?
Whatever.
You look like the moon.
The what?
The moon emoji, the white one. Oh, go say hi to your mom.
Oh my god, let's do it. Hold on, we'll be
I want you to talk
back.
with your mom.
Oh, mine's really coming off.
Okay.
Oh,
That was a nice sound. How's it feel? Talk to the camera.
oh my god. This is crazy.
Oh, this is so satisfying. I'm gonna try to get it off in one piece. Wouldn't that be great?
Like mine is.
Yeah. I don't think mine's gonna do it.
Hi, we're missing
Wow,
some
this
stuff.
feels really great.
It really does. I love.
Oh, word.
Ooh, hi in the hair. I love.
This is so satisfying. Oh, yes. Hi.
Ooh, girl.
It was still wet.
I know, some parts are still wet. I guess we gotta go, like, rinse the rest off.
Yeah, probably. Well, that was fun.
Right, and you guys got to watch us not only have masks on, but watch us on Monkey for a little bit.
I would say, I mean, like, if you have the money to splurge on a almost $70 product,
Right.
buy this. Feels very good. I mean, if I ever had $70 to splurge,
10 out of
Or
10
one
would
thing.
buy this. Although I feel like I'd never use it because I'd never want to run out.
right. And I felt like Jeffrey start. Shout out Jeffrey again.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys next time. Maybe in another video later tonight. But it won't be up tonight, so.
Yeah.
Sorry, girl.
But you'll see more of us.
Right. The twin duo. Checking out, girl. Okay, well, we'll see you guys next time. Maybe in another video later tonight. But it won't be up tonight, so.
Yeah.
Sorry, girl.
But you'll see more of us.
Right. The twin duo. Checking out, girl.
We were.
25 minutes. Ooh.
Hi.
Hi.
Where's your hair back?
You gonna put your hair back?
I think it's. That's the best one I've heard all night. Thanks. I got your
boy. Bitch, I'm a girl, duh.
Oh, look, lip bite.
Oh my god. Bitch.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. It's alright, it's like, hey. So, yeah, I told ya.